What? Dude, your thing really close properly, you stick so much. Hey, look at me.
Okay, for this challenge, the winner is...
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Our Interns Tried. I'm Jordan.
I'm Denzil. And today, where are we at, Jordan?
Well, it's not my normal office view. Today we're at AES Fire Station 1, home to the brave firefighters where we'll be training and learning from today.
So, let's welcome our mentors for today.
Morning guys.
Morning.
Welcome to AES Fire Station 1.
Thank you.
Morning.
I am Fire Staff Sergeant Denzil.
And I am Fire Sergeant Iskandar, and we will be your mentors for today.
Excited. So, how's your typical day here?
We'll start at 8 a.m. in the morning. We'll take over from the night team shift. We will conduct our operational check on all our vehicle and also our equipment for serviceability and to ensure everything is in tip-top condition.
Alright, so what kind of equipment do you guys use?
Our primary vehicle is Panther foam tenders. This vehicle have a top speed of 120 km per hour, and it can reach from 0 to 80 km per hour in just under 30 seconds. It is capable to discharge at 6,000 liters per minute.
How long does it take to become an AES officer?
Typically, we may receive up to 80 applications per intake, out of which only 20 will make it through the initial selection process. Then we will undergo 12 weeks of basic firefighting course as a cadet before we begin our journey as AES firefighters.
Do you have any tips for us today?
Tips. Got to remain focused and be able to think under pressure.
Yeah, and the most important, you must be mentally ready for the physical challenges up ahead. Are you ready for that?
I'll try to be ready.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go then.
I have a special envelope for you guys that you need to memorize and you got to use it later. So, here you go. Oh. Thanks, Denzel.
Happy donate it.
You guys only have 1 minute and your 1 minute starts now.
Alright. Easy.
Okay, go. Thank you.
Oh, mine was upside down.
Okay guys, welcome to the first station. I will do a demo on our life-saving equipment. So face forward, lean, and then be on top.
Oh, wow.
How heavy is everything?
One hose is about 18 to 20 kg.
20. Okay.
Oh no.
So next is our dummy. Close to the actual weight. Close to the actual weight. So it's about 80 kg. So this is the method. Move your hands under the armpit. Then drag.
80 kg.
Okay guys, now ready for the real challenge? Alright, your first challenge is to carry the hose from here to the second green line and come back here with the shortest time possible. Jordan, ready?
As ready as can be.
Right.
1, 2, 3, up.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Come on, Jordan. You can do it.
Fast. Yes.
Jordan. Hold it there. A bit more. Nice. Jordan wins.
The taste of success outweighs these hoses.
Okay, for this challenge, I declare and I'm proudly say the winner is Jordan.
Jordan!
But don't worry, Denzel, I'm still proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, welcome to your next station. Okay, I need you all to focus for this. Okay, because I'm going to show you guys how to don a firefighting gear. For this challenge, you have 60 seconds to completely don the full attire. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Denzel, ready? Jordan?
Okay.
Okay, your time.
He's cheating a bit.
Alright, no cheating. Your time starts now.
No. Oh. Oh, Denzil, I think you need to restart then. That's okay. No. Oh no.
Must I zip?
Yes, of course, you need to zip.
Denzil, minus points. Time penalty, Denzil. Oh no.
Clip.
I haven't wearing gloves.
Okay, glove.
Take off the helmet first, Denzil. Oh no. No.
Oh no. The fire truck's leaving, Denzil. Oh no.
No, strap, clip, your buckle, your BA buckle, yes. And complete. Stop.
What, dude, your thing really close properly, you stick so much. Hey, look at this.
Okay, for this challenge, the winner is Denzil. Okay, right. Since you all suit up nicely, how about a nice catwalk? How?
Walk.
Yeah.
So guys, for the next challenge, we will test how you guys react under pressure. So you'll be on this treadmill and we'll ask some questions and you have to answer while you are first walking on the treadmill.
Okay, you guys ready? Yes. So first question. How much water and foam can the handle foam candles carry? 1,500.
I got
1,500.
Wait first. 12,500 of water and 1,500 of foam.
How fast can the candle foam candles respond? 120
km an hour.
And then here, increase or incline.
Alright.
Next question, what is the Okay, next question. What is its maximum discharge rate?
6,000 liters per minute.
Answer goes to him, increase your incline. Two more questions. What is the maximum throw distance?
85 meters.
Answer goes to him, increase your decline. How long is the training for firefighters before they are deployed to the ops unit?
12 units. 12 weeks. 12 weeks. I said the units first. Right?
Okay, the point goes to...
Alright, increase the speed.
How fast do firefighters need to achieve to less than 20 seconds?
What? 60 seconds to dawn there. What? So wait, you didn't even say the whole question yet.
So...
No, you didn't say the whole question. And the prize is... Okay, good job, you can stay here the whole day. I'm going home, bye. Is there a time limit to take this off? Oh no. Okay. I'm so sorry for the person's suit I borrowed. Might be a bit wet. Alright. No, the fire truck's leaving, Denzil. Oh no.
Oh, the run. Okay. I'm ready.
There. Turn. Come.
Yes.
Drag. Okay, a bit more. Okay, come, let's go to the nozzle.
Open.
Hold like a gun. Okay.
Whoa.
Good job.
Good job. You did it, man.
job, man. Good job, good job.
They didn't tell us about this part. Oh, yeah, I was ready to go home. Oh man.
How you feeling?
Feeling a bit more wet. I don't know why.
Alright guys, now I will announce the last challenge winners. The winner is
Denzil!
Denzil! Yes!
Well guys, that's a wrap for today's training. I hope you guys had fun and had taste of how AES conducts its training lah.
Yes.
Okay, thank you both for your effort. See you guys around lah.
For today.
No problem. Hope you guys have a good experience.
Yeah. Ooh, 100 Oh, for the both?
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you so much. Okay lah, got two. Got you lah. I'll drink the water.
I got bad news for you. For us, the loser, we need to pack up what we have done back there. Yeah, everything. So, shall we do it now?
Can I have something on?
Yeah. And we need to finish it up.
Okay.
Come.
Oh no, I can drink on the.
Okay, so round 2. What do you really feel now?
Oh, a lot more tired than before.
Same. I regret saying it was okay. I regret saying it was manageable. Yeah. If you like what you see, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Please comment down below for any ideas you want our interns to try next.
Yeah. So,
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Bye. Oh. Alright, where to?
2 very boring minutes later.
Work never stops for these busy AES firefighters. Oh.